Are you looking for the best car security cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best car security cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZTTAOLII Mini Wi-Fi Hidden Camera. The ZTTAOLII Mini Camera offers impressive features for home security. With free cloud storage for 3 days and the ability to use a 256 GB SD card, you can easily store and access your video footage whenever you need it. It supports both 2.4G and 5G networks, ensuring a stable connection for seamless monitoring. You can share access with multiple users, allowing family members to stay updated on what's happening at home. Additionally, the 4K HD resolution and automatic night vision ensure that you capture clear images at any hour, providing peace of mind around the clock. What we like: free cloud storage, supports 5G networks, multiple users access, 4K HD resolution. Number 2. Javiscam Cellular Security Camera. The Javiscam 4G security camera is designed for areas without Wi-Fi, making it perfect for monitoring your car, garage, or during camping trips. Its advanced radar motion detection allows you to receive instant alerts on your mobile device, even through Windows, ensuring you never miss any movement. With its compact design and included SIM card, you can easily set it up anywhere. Plus, the built-in battery can last for over 15 days on low sensitivity, giving you peace of mind without frequent recharging. This camera is reliable and convenient for all your surveillance needs. What we like: radar motion detection, battery life over 15 days, includes SIM card, compact and portable. Number 3. UCOCARE 4G LTE Security Camera. The UCOCARE 4G camera offers a convenient security solution without the need for Wi-Fi. Its portable design allows for easy installation in various locations, from homes to vehicles, ensuring you can monitor your surroundings anywhere. With a long-lasting 5,200 mAh battery, you won't have to worry about frequent recharging, giving you peace of mind. The camera captures sharp 1080p HD video with a wide 160 degrees view, making it ideal for monitoring larger areas. Plus, advanced night vision capabilities allow you to see up to 33 feet in the dark, enhancing your security at night. What we like: no Wi-Fi required, long battery life, wide-angle view, night vision capability. Number 4. Vebiliki 2K Cellular Security Camera. The Vebiliki Cellular Security Camera is an excellent choice for areas without Wi-Fi, such as cars, garages, or campsites. It features a 2K resolution and operates on a 4G LTE network, making setup simple and cordless. You can monitor your surroundings remotely, ensuring peace of mind wherever you are. Its advanced radar motion detection is sensitive enough to alert you of any movement, even through Windows, ensuring you never miss an event. Additionally, it includes a SIM card with a free trial data plan, allowing you to start monitoring right away without extra costs. What we like: no Wi-Fi required, high 2K resolution, radar motion detection, includes SIM card, long battery life. Number 5. POLESNOW P18 Mix Hidden Camera Detector. The POLESNOW bug detector offers a user-friendly experience with its easy-to-use controls and switchable silent or beeping modes. You can choose from 6 different detection modes to suit your needs, whether you're at home, in a hotel, or traveling. This multifunctional device effectively identifies hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and listening devices by detecting various signals, ensuring your privacy is protected. With an impressive detection range of 5 to 15 meters and a frequency range of 1 to 6.5 GHz, this gadget provides accurate results. Plus, its long battery life allows for 25 hours of continuous use, making it perfect for on-the-go privacy protection. What we like: user-friendly controls, accurate signal detection, long battery life, multiple detection modes.